Hey, hi, this is Rick traveling with Rick. I'm still staying at Lake Griffin State Park, and I have our dog with me. His name's Smutley. He sniffs a lot, so I don't think he'll say hello. He's a Chihuahua mix rescue dog. Anyway, I'm here for the live oak. There's two of them. And another part of the park is the second largest live oak in the state of Florida. Well, this one's pretty big too. Along the circumference of the tree are a lot of famous quotations dealing with the benefits of nature that I'll point out. Alright, that's a better perspective. And we'll go around these signs. Let's see. John Burroughs. I go to nature to be soothed and healed and have my senses put in order. How true. Next one. Frank Lloyd Wright, famous architect. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. Next one. Rachel Carson wrote the famous book Silent Spring, environmentalist. There is something infinitely healing in the repeated refrains of nature, the assurance that dawn comes after the night and spring after the winter. Lord Byron, famous poet. There is pleasure in the pathless woods. Smutley, don't pee on that. Vincent van Gogh. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Another perspective of the live oak here. And who do we have here? Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Never heard of that person. You become responsible forever for what you have tamed. Ted Trueblood. The silence of nature is very real. It surrounds you. You can feel it. Lao Tzu. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Very good. Robert Frost, another famous poet. The woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Very thought-provoking. Anne Frank. I firmly believe that nature brings solace in all troubles. How sad that one is. Anyway, I will end the video here, and I have another one of the dead river leading to the actual lake, to marshland. I'll get to that next. All right, bye.